What's up guys? Today we are looking at this passport cover. So recently I've been traveling and I did an EDC video about a foldable backpack, and one thing that I was missing was something like this passport cover. So it's got RFID blocking, anti-theft technology, security for your passport. The reason why I got this is because it has some extra features which I do like. Let's open it up and have a look. So it comes in this, it looks like it's recyclable plastic, which looks good. So it's made of this faux leather. It's available in a bunch of different colors like brown and gray, and let me have a look. Yeah, there's an assortment of colors like this off blue, pinks, off red, and stuff like that. So passport, airplane sign, charm, eternity. Don't know what that means. Travel wallet. It's got a piece of paper in here. Don't need. Okay, so your passport would fit into here. So it has a nice slot there. Some dirt here. RFID, I don't know how to test that, but I will try and find out. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 credit card card slots, and has 2 slots for your SIM card or SIM tool, an extra slot here if you want to put your boarding passes and whatnot, and an extra pocket in here if you want to hold, I don't know, cash or something like that. Yeah, so this is just a first look at it. I will put it to the test. Yeah, it attracts dirt quite easily. Very dusty. Anything else? Yeah, so this is just an first look. I'll do a proper review in the next one. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any comments, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.